Your Excellencies, the Chairman of the Transitional Sovereignty Council and the Vice Chair, members of the Transitional Sovereignty Council, officers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, Ramadan Kareem. Let me begin by thanking the United Nations, the African Union and IGAD for the invitation to the European Union to speak this morning. I'm speaking on behalf of the European Union, and I'm joined by a number of our member states, Sweden, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands and Poland. This is the fifth and final workshop set up under the Framework Political Agreement, and getting to this stage sends a very clear signal that this political process is making progress, that civilian rule beckons, and that everyone should rally around the process to deliver on the promises of the revolution. Security sector reform is, in the words of the Framework Political Agreement, one of the main issues facing the country. And the agreement claims that without building and reforming a single professional and national defence force, according to agreed security arrangements, Sudan will not be able to achieve democracy, peace or development. These are the words of the Framework Political Agreement. The vision set out in the Framework Political Agreement is a unified professional force that protects the country's borders and democratic civilian rule, distances the army from politics, prohibits the regular forces from engaging in investment and commercial activity except for those related to military manufacture and missions, and an intelligence service limited to collecting and analysing information without the power of arrest or detention. Again, this is the Framework Political Agreement. This workshop is likely to devote much time to the sensitive issues of reform and integration. But we need to get the government's arrangements right as well, since the Framework Political Agreement signatories also made a joint commitment to the constitutional order and respect for the rule of law. Civil society has an important role to play, and Sweden has been providing technical support.
أن هناك العديد من الخبراء الذين يحضرون هذه الورشة من أماكن مختلفة في العالم بما في ذلك النمسا وإسبانيا، والخبرة تدل على أن إصلاح القطاع الأمني يمكن أن تكون عملية طويلة جدا حتى تؤتي ثمارها، ومثلها مثل أي رحلة طويلة فإن الخطوات الأولى دائما ما تكون صعبة، وبالتالي نحض كل أصحاب المصلحة أن ينتهزوا هذه الفرصة حتى يخطوا هذه الخطوات الأولى مع بعضهم البعض حتى يصلوا إلى قطاع أمني يفتخر به كل أبناء السودان، وقطاع أمني نحن الأسرة الدولية نتعاون معه حتى نستطيع التغلب على كل التحديات الأمنية. شكرا جزيلا.